chombero. Tuanda pigine tutayaye. Isha mwandore mwe.
Welcome back by again Lo tutorial. This is a third tutorial so far. Me one them say me making this tutorial. You go with them canvas we me Lego last time. Just to get rid of this shape, just choose some lasso tool with them here. Come click no more to get rid of it. And then by me say continue from by we need him want something start finish, but by me say work with them these two the two next tools. With the magic wand, with these two tools, let me say so magic wand tool plante quick selection tool by me say yusum you just click no more after you move around them him start figure out one color where when base color where is stop dominant color we stop after you select them. So let's say you look at that dominant color was white, so as you click and you start move around him just stop just get rid of that. You click your little mouse, you start move around him, you pick him up white color and him just select them now. With them lasso, with them that what was quick selection tool, you had to do some job. You click after you hold the mouse, you start move around. But the other one, magic wand tool, I mean you click no more which color where you cut, which color was dominant. In this case, white. You click them, you just choose them white. You detect them white, and then just select the whole white area. Suppose you click the black area, by just the black area. So you click hammer. Okay, one trick. You look with them magic wand tool. They click the white area, it chooses the whole white area. But what if you want them to choose the black area? Let's say just this one with the hammer. Then you click the one, you choose one. Come click, you go another one, you come click, you come choose one. What you can do is you click the one. Let's say you click the hammer, press them shift. After you click the hammer, you press them shift. When I'm blue, cursor blue, you change. You got one small plus with it. You ready? You select them one, make them one more selection. So you can click the so have you choose them two, and then you let go shift, keyboard blue, and you are left with two shapes. Or another thing, let's say you want them select them all black area. But you have them, you let's start click and hold them shift or click. What you can do, you click the white area, you select them white area, finish, you right click, then you are given this menu. Once you right click, you look menu here, and then you can click low, select inverse. Now you select them where opposite them where you select them this one. Maybe the inverse of the other one. It's all mathematical. Operation. So something is not. So what is white, and then you right click, you select inverse. That's is not something where it's not white. So magic wand tool. One great tool we use some solid colors. One place where color one use you use some lasso tool to clean him out something first time, and then magic wand tool you just create one. Yep, you just any solid colorway stuff, you come and you just clean it all up. Sorry, there's this beeping sound of the Harem full level tutorial because this UPS way is the humbug. So you just Lego no more stuff. So thank you too much for listening back and tutorial, this third tutorial where we look the quick selection tool with magic wand tool. By me look you back and lo next tutorial by me look the crop tool. Thank you too much.